DLT makes both our application lifecycle framework and our secure software factory functional model available to our partners. The reason why we want to do this is we really want to enable our channel ecosystem to help adopt and embrace this new development methodology, and more importantly, to give them opportunities to have more meaningful conversations with their end user customers. So we often see these frameworks and this approach being used as really a sales discovery tool. Help our partners better understand the requirements of what our public sector end users are looking for. So as an example, by taking our functional model or taking our framework and using that as a conversation enabler with an end user, you can better understand kind of where they are in their DevOps journey, what tools they might already have, what gaps they may have, and this helps our partners identify the next best opportunity to go and pursue.